Hi guys, Bobby D here. Welcome to my video where I'm going to show you the best arbitrage software and my secret hack. So keep listening because I've got something very important to tell you. So watch my video and I'm going to show you here the website you need to go to, the software that you're going to need in this amazing product that's come out, what you need to do, how you're going to earn money, okay? You get paid by PayPal. You can do this over and over again and you can make some serious money using this method. Serious money. I have used a very similar method about 4 years ago and I made thousands and thousands of pounds using this exact platform that you're going to be shown. Now watch this video to the end. It's super important, all right? Because I'm going to show you how you can speed things up. And not only that, I am giving away my secret bonus cheat sheet that made me thousands. I've never done this before. I'm going to give you a list of the products that you need to be looking at that are going to make you a ton of money. It made me thousands. I used to buy these products for 10 pence each. I would sell 10 of them at a time for it cost me £1, and I would sell them for £12. After eBay fees and PayPal fees, I was making £6 per item. At one stage, I bought 10,000 of these items, okay? I have made thousands of pounds using this method, guys, and I'm only giving my bonus away for a very short period of time, probably 72 hours. So make sure you watch this video and click the link afterwards. Now, before we go on, please guys, do me a favor. Can you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button for me? I'd really appreciate it. That way you get notified of all the videos that I upload. You hear about them first. You get to try them first. You get to make money first, all right? In particular, this method I'm going to show you today. All right, so hit the subscribe, hit the bell. I'll be very grateful. The other thing I'm doing for you guys is I'm giving you some free training. In the comments below, you're going to see it says get my free training here. Click that. 7 videos all about affiliate marketing and how I got started earning $100 a day. Above that, you're going to see here it says grab a copy. That is the product that I'm showing you today. Honestly, guys, it's brilliant. You can make a ton of money if you put your mind to it, and I highly recommend it. So that's it, guys. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell. Let's get on with your training. Hi guys, Bobby D here from BobbyDOnlineMarketing.com. Welcome to my review of Flipmagic. Now, this is something that's totally different, and I've not seen what you're shown in this method before. So it's a really interesting way of doing things. I've got some experience of doing arbitrage, which is some of what this method is about, but this is a totally different way of doing it. Now, before I get started with my review, this is by one of the biggest of super affiliates, Artflair. So straight away, you know, number one, it's going to be a best-selling program. Number two, it's going to be deal of the day. Number three, it's going to sell thousands. And number four, it works. So you're off to 4 winners already. All right, this is going to be a great product. Now, I'm going to show you a couple of things in my review. I'm going to show you the members area. I'm going to show you how it works. And then I'm going to just give you an overview of what it is. So this is the members area of Flipmagic, okay? And it's really in depth, and I'm going to come on to that in a second. Quick look at the sales page, which is here, and it says secret 5-minute copy and paste trick. Makes it super simple for us to make big commissions online every single day. 500 to 800% profit on these unusual products. Now, I have looked at this quite in depth, and can you make 500 to 800% increase on what you buy a product for? Because this is arbitrage. Yes, you can. And you'll be buying sort of niche items to resell. Now, before I go on, let me just show you my bonuses. So this is my website, BobbyDOnlineMarketing.com. And I'm going to give you some special bonuses today. Some of them around eBay and the others around traffic, because you want traffic to your offer. and you will be using eBay to do this. But don't worry if you don't know too much about eBay. Everything is covered in the course, and I'm also going to cover some stuff. So you're going to get my insanely profitable eBay income audio pack, which gives you 4 videos on how to make money on eBay, on how to make even more money on eBay using different methods. That's $7.95. I'm going to give you my own product, which is the eBay Power Niche System. Okay, now this is how I became a power seller. Probably 4 years ago, I was heavily into eBay. I turned over thousands and thousands of pounds selling one item, okay, on eBay. That was it. Now, what I'm doing for you guys today, I'm actually going to give you my top niches that I uncovered during my research, and it includes the one that I used. All right, you're going to get the very best items that you can sell on eBay, and it's not what you think. It's not electronics, it's not iPhones, it's none of that. This is all about niche items, okay? And I will give you my personal list of the best ones, including the one that I used, and I made thousands of pounds. At one point, I ordered 10,000 of these items from China, and I got them. 10,000, and I sold the lot. Why did I stop doing eBay? I couldn't keep up with it. That was the honest truth. I was back and forth to the post office every day, and I had a full-time job, and it got too much. And now I do affiliate marketing, but I will show you what you need to know. That is, I sell this for $12.95. You can go and have a look at it. It's on my Warrior Plus account. I've sold hundreds of them. It's still up to date, and it's worth buying just for the niche card. Really, really good, guys. I'll give you quick how to make $1,000 on eBay. Another method, $7.95. And then I'm going to give you some great products. These are all Deal of the Day by Art Flair. So you know they've won Deal of the Day. These have sold thousands. Look them up. 6-minute profits, $9.97. I'll give you Easy Profit Secrets, $9.97. Traffic Titan, $9.97. Facebook Enigma, $9.97. And Facebook Traffic Hack, which is $17. Every one of them is a Deal of the Day winner, which means that they have sold thousands and thousands of copies. You're getting all that for free. So what's that? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. You're getting about $100 and odd worth of free products there. But I am giving you my top niches to research on eBay, guys. You know, I could charge easily money for that on its own, and I'm giving that away. That is my special offer to you guys today. So let's flip across to the sales page. So it says start today, your first sale by tomorrow. Maybe, probably not by tomorrow, because if you haven't got an eBay account, you've got to set it up, but you could certainly make one this week. These flips have made us thousands. Yep. 5 to 800% profit. Yep. Copy and paste, simple. Yes. 100% user friendly. Yes. No website domains or hosting needed. Yes. Now, I know that all this is true because this is something I used to do, guys. I was, like I said, I was heavily into eBay. And as an example of what I used to do, I used to buy an item for about 10 pence, and I would sell 10 of them together. So it cost me £1, and I would sell them for £12.95. I had to pay for postage, which was about £3, but I would make on average about £6 per sale. I sold 10,000 of them. Work it out, okay? eBay is still massive, guys. People don't talk about it so much now. They talk about Amazon, but eBay is still huge, right? And you're going to get my niche card with the niches on it. Honestly, it's worth buying just for that. Big commissions in minutes, and basically this gives you a bit of software. It finds the top selling products. You then copy that listing from A, put it into B, and price it up, basically. These are some of the figures they've made, 32,000. They call it the lazy method. Yeah, it is quite lazy. The software does it for you. It probably doesn't take 5 minutes to put it together, I'll be honest. It's going to take about 15 to 20 minutes, but it definitely works, all right? It definitely works. If you're looking for an easy way to make money, this is definitely a good way. Number 1, use the software to find the listings. Number 2, copy it. Number 3, paste it. Pretty much that's right. You don't ever hold any stock, guys. You're not holding any stock. You are literally acting as the middleman, the arbitrage man, or the flipping man, as we're now calling it. And and making money. Anyone can do this, all right? You get step-by-step video training, online training between the two platforms. It's evergreen. It goes on forever. 5 minutes to get it going, 15 minutes. You're not dealing with your everyday products. This is why it's successful, and this is why I was successful, right? You're not dealing with everyday products. You've got to think outside the box. Traffic and buyers built in, 8% profit, scale up. Yeah, definitely. So this is the members area of Flipmagic. Let's move me up there. There's a getting started video. There's a register for a live training call. Well worth doing that, guys. I like when they do this, and you can jump on a webinar and ask questions. You then just move on. You can get coaching if you require it. Access the software, which you'll get. You can download the software there. And the software basically finds you the best selling products out there. And then you go on to the training. Now there are a staggering 25 videos to show you what you need to do to be successful in this. Now, let me get this into your brains, everyone. This isn't a 1 minute, you're going to make money in 5 minutes. This is a business in a box, right? A business in a box. I used to do this. It works. Using Arbitrage works, okay? For those of you that know me, I brought out Fiverrlicious, my Fiverr arbitrage product. I've sold over 2,000 copies. It works to this day. I still use it. Everyone makes money using it. And this is exactly the same, but this is much more defined. There is much more money in the way you do it on here because you're using niche items. I'm not on Fiverr. I'm just doing logos, SEO, backlinks, graphics. This is about picking niche items that people want, all right? Really, really good method, guys. There are 25 videos. You need to go through every one, watch them. I'd get to 25 and I'd go back to one and start again, all right? Watch them all. If you do that, you're going to make money. You're going to make money. There will be some bonus trainings in here. I've got a beta version, so it's not in there yet. But it's everything in here is what you need. All right. I can't click into this because it comes up what the heading is. But this is a really good system, guys. It works. I know it works because I used to do it. Right. I'm quite excited that this is out. But don't forget, get my bonuses, and most importantly, you're going to get my own eBay power niche system where I'm going to reveal to you exactly how I made the money and exactly the niches that you need to be looking at to make money. You use them and this, you are going to clean up. It is that simple. All right, guys, that's it from me. I'm Bobby D from Bobby D Online Marketing. Thank you for listening. You can get a copy below here. Grab a copy. I'm not going to keep my bonuses up for more than 3 days. So you've got 72 hours. I'm going to take them down basically because I don't want everyone getting my best niches to sell, because that is part of my mastermind group that I run. So if you want it, grab it soon as you can. I'm Bobby D, guys. Many thanks for listening. I'll speak to you soon.